The U.S. Navy's VX-31 Dust Devil Squadron successfully executed live-fire tests of the AIM-260A Joint Advanced Tactical Missile (JATM), a cutting-edge air-to-air missile designed to surpass the capabilities of its predecessors. This major milestone, confirmed by the AirPower 2.0X account on March 7, 2025, highlights ongoing efforts to bolster U.S. aerial combat dominance. The testing took place at the Naval Air Weapons Station China Lake, a key site for evaluating next-generation military technologies. VX-31, a specialized Navy test and evaluation squadron, operates an array of aircraft including F-18F Super Hornets, E-18G Growlers, F-18D Hornets, AV-8B+ Harriers, and MH-60S Seahawks. While details regarding the specific aircraft used in the AIM-260A trials remain undisclosed, the missile's successful testing marks a crucial step in refining long-range engagement capabilities. The AIM-260A JATM is more than just a replacement for the AIM-120 AMRAAM. It represents a leap forward in missile technology. Developed collaboratively by the U.S. Navy and Air Force, the missile is engineered to counter the growing threat posed by advanced enemy aircraft, including next-generation stealth fighters deployed by near-peer adversaries such as China and Russia. Among its defining features, the AIM-260A boasts a significantly extended operational range. While the AIM-120 AMRAAM has an estimated range of approximately 100 miles, 160 kilometers, the AIM-260A is expected to reach 150 to 200 miles, 240 to 320 kilometers. This extended range grants U.S. fighter jets a first strike advantage, allowing them to engage threats before entering the adversary's strike zone. The AIM-260A integrates advanced guidance and tracking systems, potentially combining active radar homing with enhanced seeker technology. This ensures precise target acquisition even in contested environments where electronic warfare countermeasures are deployed. As adversary aircraft increasingly utilize radar jamming and spoofing techniques, the missile's resilience against these disruptions is a vital asset. Enhanced maneuverability is another key aspect of the AIM-260A. Designed to effectively engage highly agile targets, the missile's airframe and propulsion system allow for superior terminal phase adjustments, significantly increasing hit probability against maneuvering enemy aircraft. Additionally, the missile is believed to incorporate low observable features, reducing detection risk and increasing operational effectiveness. The AIM-260A introduces several strategic benefits to U.S. air operations. Extended standoff capability. By allowing U.S. aircraft to engage threats from a greater distance, the missile ensures operational safety while maintaining offensive capability. Counter-stealth effectiveness. Its advanced targeting system enables engagements against modern stealth fighters such as China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57. Multi-target engagement. Thanks to sophisticated radar and seeker systems, the missile can track and engage multiple adversaries simultaneously, a critical advantage in large-scale aerial conflicts. Electronic warfare resistance. The AIM-260's cutting-edge electronic countermeasures (ECCM) help it maintain its targeting lock even in environments saturated with jamming signals. First strike superiority. Its combination of range, precision, and speed ensures U.S. forces can neutralize threats preemptively, minimizing exposure to enemy attacks. As testing progresses, the AIM-260A is expected to be integrated into the operational arsenals of key aircraft, including the F/18E/F Super Hornet and the F-22 Raptor. The missile's deployment will redefine U.S. aerial combat strategy, ensuring continued air superiority in high-threat environments. With near-peer adversaries advancing their own military technologies, the development of the AIM-260A underscores the U.S. military's commitment to staying ahead in modern warfare. Future enhancements and potential adaptations for multi-role applications could further solidify its place as a cornerstone of American air combat capability. As the U.S. Navy and Air Force move toward full deployment, the AIM-260A is set to play a crucial role in securing the nation's air dominance for years to come.